Hey guys, how are you? I hope that you are having a phenomenal summer. Today I wanted to talk a tiny bit about bugs, bug bites, and what you can do to prevent them as well as help them get better quicker, okay? If you are like me, you are better when you're outside, you thrive in nature, and you want to spend every minute you can outside because summer is short here in Southern Ontario. I legit feel like I just came off like 9 months of winter and I'm already like, oh my God, it's July. Like, don't let this pass by too fast, right? Now, that being said, I'm being eaten alive, okay? It's been really humid and we do a lot of trails, so I have a lot of bites. And I don't know about you, but where I am and in my area, there's a lot of deer flies all of a sudden, like even in my yard. And those little they hurt and they leave a mark. I'm also highly susceptible to sometimes having super fun reactions, like this one that you can look at. This is maybe from about going on 4 years ago. It's one of my worst reactions. They're not all like that. Don't know what bit me. Just know that I was out of commission for a couple days. Dealt with that all with, natural remedies, essential oils, homeopathy. So I was able to get the swelling out, but I react to bug bites. Some, not all, it's like one of those things. And over time, actually, I've been able to react less because that has a lot to do with diet, etc. But that's a whole other video. So today I wanted to quickly share some of the things that work best for me, because there are a lot of remedies out there and there are a lot of things that we can do, but I know that a lot of them contain scary chemicals that are harmful for our health, that are harmful for the planet. And remember, our skin is our largest organ. Anything you're putting on this, babe, is going in your body, okay? So we want to try to be as natural as possible and make choices that are good, again, for you and for the environment. So number one, prevention. I like to, this is not smoked paprika, by the way, make my own bug spray, okay? So this is a recipe that I will be sharing in the next weeks on the TLC community. It's very easy and it's very effective. So I'll make up a big batch and then I will fill smaller bottles, okay, spray bottles. So usually I will have one in my fanny pack. Yes, you better believe I hike with a fanny pack. Very stylish. And I'll keep one in the backyard because we sit out there a lot. And also I spray a lot of the furniture out there, and I've been starting to spray the perimeters of our screens to kind of limit the bugs that can get in and out of the house when we're opening the doors. And then I'll keep one in my car, you know what I mean? Just to always have one around so you're never caught without bugs. And I like to have a small enough bottle that when I go hiking, if I'm really getting bit, I can take it out and kind of do a reapply. I highly recommend making your own bug spray. Very effective, works very, very well. But there'd be a lot of bugs and I can't always cover every inch. And of course I still get bit. Nothing is perfect, right? So when I get bit / prevention, sorry, let me kind of rephrase that. This is a second remedy that I use for prevention. Please be sure to speak with your healthcare practitioner or book a session with me to make sure that the remedies are right for you, your circumstance, etc. Okay, but I love this homeopathic remedy. It is mosquitos, all right? So you can take this before you're gonna think you're going to be exposed to those pesky little mosquitoes and bugs, etc. So it's gonna help them not bite you, which is amazing, and also help reduce the severity if you are bitten. And then you can also use this as a remedy to help keep those bites in check, okay? It helps control the itch and it helps them not get out of control, right? So second, rosemary oil. Again, make sure it's right for you. Speak with your healthcare practitioner, especially with essential oils if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, etc. Love it. This rosemary oil helps so much. It helps control the redness. It helps control the itch. I put a little bit of a dab on my bites, when they're bothering me, and just let it sit there and do its job. Also, I combine that with lavender oil, okay? Again, check if it's right for you. Lavender oil is not just for internal mental calmness. Think about it as a calming oil in general. It calms, so it also calms your skin. So again, helping with redness, itch, etc. I'll either interchange these or I might put a dab of two. I kind of use my intuition and go from there. Last but not least, love this remedy as well. This is Apis, okay? You'll have to, again, make sure you check with your healthcare practitioner. Although these remedies are readily available, you know, over the counter, you can even probably find Apis in the natural section of your grocery store. You want to make sure that you're using a strength that is right for you and making sure, again, that it's something that is safe for you. So that is my little preventative / treatment of bug bites in a nutshell. These remedies are also very good for stings, bee stings, etc. Make sure you're always checking with your healthcare practitioner. So guys, for more videos like this that will help empower you, where I share literally my holistic life with you to help empower you to become your own health advocate, to make informed choices, to, you know, decide what's best for you and build your knowledge. Check out the TLC community. Literally for less than 4 cents a day, you will have access to almost 100 videos, almost 100 recipes, and the cool thing is every single week is new relevant content. So you will have these recipes, these videos at your fingertip. It's almost like an encyclopedia of holistic health there for you when you need it across any device, any time of day. So take care, guys. Should have put my phone on silent, and I will talk to you soon. Enjoy the outdoors and make sure you protect yourself for all of those pesky bugs that just want to bite you and make you itch. Take care. Bye.